in this activity, you're going to be thinking about constraints. And a good way to think about constraints is like it's a limit, like something you can't go beyond or below or past. So there's several limits in real life. I think one of the easiest examples of limits is probably cell phone data plans. Like you can't go past a certain amount of data. Another example could be paychecks. Like you're only gonna make a certain amount of money depending on hours. Maybe your boss won't let you work a certain number of hours, and then also gas in the car. You can only put a certain amount of gas in the car. There's a bunch of others. You can think of some on your own. You can put them in the chat if you want to. You come up with them. And then we have inequalities, which you've seen before. The first one is less than. So 4 is less than 5. Next one is greater than. 10 is greater than 4. The next one that we have after that is going to be less than or equal to. And we add that line underneath. And so it means that the number is less than or equal to. You have two options. And so the example could be, no, that's wrong. Let's do that again. 3 is less than or equal to 4. There we go. And the last one is greater than or equal to. You got greater than or equal to, you have the line underneath. And so 10 is greater than or equal to 10. So here's a couple of examples of inequalities written out as a sentence. We're going to write the sentence first, and then we're going to talk about the inequality itself. So the scenario that we have is that Casey can spend up to $100 on his next pair of shoes. And so here's four options for the inequality that could represent this specific scenario. So only one of these will work, and it is letter A, because letter A means that he can only spend up to $100 or less than $100. So our next example, once again, we're going to wait till it's written out. So it says Rosa must work at least 10 hours every week or she gets fired. So here are the four different options. And so here the keyword is at least. And if you think about the word at least, you think about, okay, I want at least 10, or do I go up or down? You're thinking about going higher. So it is going to be letter B, greater than or equal to 10.